Hello. Once again, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is TH Ingolstadt part 2. In this video, I will just show you how to fill the personal details, information about previous education and information about previous studies. Then in the coming part, I will be showing how to send the application, then how to finish your application. Here, the best thing to start here always is have you enter your personal data, previous education, CV, etc. So all other things you have to fill. Every university, every application procedure is different from one another, but all together, if you consider, the things that you're gonna give is always same. But you just have to be make sure where you're giving what. That's it. So you just here they have made it in a different way where you will fill personal details here, information of previous education here, please select your degree program here, and information of previous studies. So here you will have 3 or 4 where you can fill again bachelor's, PUC, 10th, things like that. So the best thing would be to click on degree program here. First we will select that. Selection of degree programs, winter semester 2024, because semester starts in 10th. I'm making again and again. Once before this video is out, the application deadline which I am applying will be gone. Nevertheless, you can use this video and apply, or wait for 1.5 months and apply in November 15th. Okay, so you can click on master, limit display to masters, language will be only in English, and for the course first semester, yes. And here you can see the International Automotive Engineering. Then you can click on save. You have selected the course. The same procedure you have to do after winter. It would be the same. And also there are some other course if you want to apply. If opens are there, then you can go through this. Then you can click on further. Then type of study would be always full time. Then save. Here you can I have be confirmed that I have previous studies. If you not, in case I am okay, then I am aware of that. So how did you become of this? Then you can give other, or you can give Google dart.de and things like that. So yes, I'm aware that only one account per person is permitted. Yes, we know that. So what type of degree you have? So the BTech, BE and things like that. So I will give bachelor's of engineering. In which engineering field you have finished your things, so you can give which engineering field you are finished your bachelor. Though enter the website of your university. This is our official website. What project, courses, competition, publication, etc. you have done beyond your necessary coursework. So here you can give your certification, course, projects, things like that, what you have done. That would be good. And here if you can see, they have made it mandatory. If you don't have anything, then you can at least give the final bachelor project that you have done. Okay, you can click I will give some project that I have done. Then what is your professional focus in bachelor or diploma, or where do you focus on these studies? So here focus, they have asked in a sense that what you have specialized, what are your strengths, weaknesses and things. So what was your focus, where you put more effort learning in bachelor's. In India it's designed like normally you will do whatever the subjects it is in curriculum, so you don't have option to select, but you can just make it that in a way that you are interested in the curriculum that you studied. So nevertheless, so you can just say based on the course that you're gonna do is autonomous, so you can just say you were interested in, so I have completed an industrial internship. Yes, you can do which, where and where you have did that. So don't forget to give the name of the internship, where you have done, the website of the company and things like that. What engineering software, CATIA, MATLAB, etc. are you familiar with? So here I am sure if you have done electrical engineering or electronics or communication engineering, you will be familiar with MATLAB for sure. So you can click on MATLAB. So I have taken notes. I have taken note that above information is correct. Yes. Then information about VPD information. So you have read the things. So once you have done, you can click on yes. Then information of additional 30 ECTS. For possible admission of technical Ingolstadt, a bachelor degree with at least 210 is required, or equivalent degree is required. There are countries where bachelor degree is almost always equal to 180 degree, even if they have 4-year program, bachelor, China, India, Pakistan. So here you got an information which I am saying. Then information about an additional 30 ECTS you have to give. Okay, as I mentioned, they will know about your situation, so you just not need to worry about people are asking for 210 ECTS but we have only 180 ECTS or 200 ECTS. So they will be knowing, and they have so many other options to do. So we can go through what they are asking to make sure this can not happen. So applicants who have bachelor degree equivalent to 180 ECTS must provide a evidence of 30 ECTS credits. Okay, how we gonna give that? According to study and examination regulation of respective degree program of Technical Ingolstadt, proof can provide by a internship of at least 20 weeks after the bachelor degree. This is a very good information why my friend came after 1 year once I came. Here this course cannot be applied while you are studying, or you are in a 7th sem, 8th sem, like unlike TU Chemnitz or TU Stuttgart, for example. Here we don't have 210 ECTS. We have to make sure that we have 210 ECTS by making or showing additional 30 ECTS. Okay, additional 30 ECTS can only be covered by some work or practical exposure. Here they have clearly mentioned proof have to be provided by an internship of at least 20 weeks. So for 5s are 20, so minimum of 5 months or 6 months, half a year. So this you have to be done not while studying. If you have submit that internship certificate while you are studying, then they will for sure reject. This has to be done after completion of your degree. Okay, so the better and easiest solution would be after once you have finished your bachelor, work somewhere for 6 to 1 year, then apply for this course, then everything would be stable. So this course will be technically for people who have finished degree and work for like 1 or 1.5 year, 1 year, 2 year, like any of the year, minimum 6 months. Okay, this is not for fresh graduate who are in 7th or 8th. They can't apply for sure. Then you just have to have a simple English and what you can say VPD 30 additional credits. So once you are applying for VPD, then you have to apply with the educational qualification. Then you have to mail you VPD guys. Then they will give you additional extra for Ingolstadt. So when you are applying for VPD for Ingolstadt, you have to give bachelor degree certificate and attach your work experience and say or take this printout or this application where they are saying you can get that extra 30 credit or extra how much ever ECTS you require by your professional experience or internship that you have done.